everybody, welcome back to another episode of Pro Galaxy. Today we're going to do another episode of chess. So I'll introduce the characters for beginners. This is the pawn. It's the weakest character in the whole of chess. This is where it normally stands. It can only move 1 or 2 steps. Okay, so like this. It moved 2 steps because it can only move 2 steps on its first go. Else, it can only move 1 step. Look. Okay, so that's about the pawn, but we got one more thing to go about the pawn. So, if the pawn gets to the end of the chessboard, it will soon become a queen. This is called a promotion. So, a queen is basically the powerfulest chess player. It's worth 9 points versus a pawn is worth 1 point. So, and the pawn can turn into other characters, which I will explain now.
It can also turn into the knight, which can move in an L shape. I'll talk more about the knight later.